review. Today it's courtesy of BlackHairSpray.com. Now today I'm reviewing another unit by Vivica, and the name of the unit is called Freeda. And I have to say that when I saw the unit online, I wasn't particularly drawn to it. I was just picking wigs to review. But when I got the wig and I received it, I was very, very pleasantly surprised. Vivica wigs, in my opinion, typically tend to be on the good quality side. I just wish the brand would do more with promoting and really pushing their units and putting them out there, because a lot of their units, to me, are very nice units, and I really, really like them. But they kind of get lost in the shuffle, right, you guys? Like, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. They need to do better with that, in my opinion. But moving on. Some specs. We got combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. The cap space is very, very roomy. I have it on the tightest setting, and it's fine. So if you are in need of big head friendly units, this one is a unit that would be very friendly to you. Now the unit offers the center part. I don't think that this unit is very shiftable. Like, I don't think you're going to have to wear it as a middle part. I don't think that you can shift it to the side because it's cut in the back. Like, the nape is cut pretty short, and then you have subtle long pieces towards the front. Very, very cute. Very nice added feature. Love the curl pattern. Very messy, loose, kind of, okay, I'm just out the door type of a hair, but just kind of looks still very, very chic and cute. The hair texture is definitely on the thicker side. I would definitely describe it as yucky. Very, very full. Lots of density in this unit. I mean, really, this is a unit you just kind of take your fingers and you kind of mess with it and you're out the door. I can see myself wearing this out in so many settings. I mean, it's just a very fun, chic unit. The length is about 10 inches at its longest point, which is towards the front. Towards the back is probably about 8 inches. Things I adore about the unit is the yucky texture. I love that it's a kind of a shake and go unit. The density is also a very nice added feature. You know, there's just so many little things here and there that make me kind of really love this unit. I mean, it's just a really good quality, nice unit. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, I mean, I would wear these with some really nice earrings and really cute makeup, cute outfit, and be out the door. I mean, it's super duper cute, you guys. Like, I really don't have many negative things to say, except that I feel like the cap space is too large. But I mean, even with it being kind of large, I mean, I didn't get any hump action at the top, which is good. So all in all, love the unit. Great quality. This unit makes me feel super duper stylish and chic. I just really don't have a lot of negative things to say about this unit. I think that you will like her too. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I forgot to tell you guys, the color is a 4. No tangling, but I did get a fair amount of shedding. I really like this unit, you guys. Like, all in all, it's a good quality unit. I have very little negative things to say about it. I think that you will like her too. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you again to BlackHairSpray.com for sending this unit for me to review for you guys. I'll leave the link directly to where you can find the Vivica Freeda unit on BlackHairSpray.com. Until my next review, I will see you guys later. Bye.